Today, we're going on an exciting journey to master personal finance. I'm thrilled to share with you the wisdom found in the incredible book I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. This book is like having a trusted friend guiding you towards financial success. So, in this video, we'll focus on 3 crucial lessons from the book that can transform your financial life. Now, why should you pay attention? Well, Ramit Sethi is a renowned expert in personal finance, and he breaks down complex concepts into easy-to-understand steps. This means you don't need to be a financial guru to benefit from these lessons. Lesson 1. Optimize your credit cards and bank accounts. Now, you might have heard some negative things about credit cards, but trust me, when used responsibly, they can be a powerful tool. So, let's talk about the benefits of responsible credit card usage. First and foremost, responsible credit card usage can help you build a solid credit history. By making timely payments and managing your balances, you can improve your credit score. And why is that important? Well, a good credit score opens up opportunities for better interest rates on loans and can even help you secure that dream apartment or get lower insurance premiums. Next, let's talk about choosing the right credit card for your needs. With so many options out there, it's important to find one that aligns with your lifestyle and financial goals. Look for cards that offer rewards and benefits that match your spending habits. Whether it's cashback, travel rewards, or discounts on your favorite purchases, the right credit card can put money back in your pocket. Now, let's dive into maximizing rewards and cashback opportunities. Many credit cards offer enticing rewards programs. By understanding the rules and taking full advantage of these programs, you can earn valuable points or cashback on your everyday spending. It's like getting paid to spend money, but remember, it's crucial to pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Moving on to bank accounts, they are the foundation of your financial life. Understanding the different types of bank accounts and their purposes will help you make informed decisions. First, let's talk about the basic types of bank accounts. You have checking accounts, which are great for day-to-day transactions and managing your expenses. Then, there are savings accounts, where you can stash away your money and earn interest on your balances. But wait, there's more. High-yield savings accounts are worth mentioning. These accounts offer higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts. By parking your money in a high-yield savings account, you can watch your savings grow faster over time. Lastly, let's focus on minimizing fees and maximizing account benefits. Banks often charge various fees, such as monthly maintenance fees, ATM fees, or overdraft fees. By understanding these fees and opting for accounts with fewer charges or fee waivers, you can save a significant amount of money in the long run. Additionally, some accounts come with additional perks like free financial planning services or access to exclusive events. So, be sure to explore all the benefits your bank offers. That wraps up Lesson 1, optimizing your credit cards and bank accounts. Remember, responsible credit card usage and wise banking decisions can pave the way to financial success. Lesson 2, automate your finances. When it comes to managing your finances, automation is your best friend. First and foremost, automation saves you time and effort. By setting up automatic bill payments, you can avoid late fees and never miss a payment again. Plus, it's a stress reliever knowing that your bills are taken care of automatically. Next, let's focus on setting up automatic savings contributions. Paying yourself first is a key principle of personal finance. By automating your savings, a portion of your income is automatically transferred to your savings account or investment portfolio. It's a simple yet effective way to build wealth over time. Now, let's talk about simplifying your financial management. With multiple accounts and expenses to track, things can get overwhelming. By using automation tools and platforms, you can consolidate your accounts, track your spending, and get a clear picture of your financial health, all in one place. This way, you can stay organized and make informed decisions with ease. Moving on to budgeting, it's a crucial aspect of financial success. Let's dive into developing a realistic budget that aligns with your goals. First, take the time to assess your income, expenses, and financial goals. This will help you create a budget that works for you. Remember, a budget should be flexible and adaptable as your financial situation evolves. To make budgeting a breeze, leverage budgeting tools and apps. These tools can automatically categorize your expenses, provide spending insights, and even send you alerts when you're approaching your budget limits. It's like having a personal financial assistant in your pocket. Tracking your expenses is equally important. By keeping tabs on where your money is going, you can identify areas where you can cut back or make adjustments. Whether it's a daily coffee habit or unnecessary subscriptions, tracking your expenses sheds light on your spending patterns and empowers you to make positive changes. Remember, your budget is not set in stone. Life happens and circumstances change, so be sure to regularly review and adjust your budget accordingly. This way, you can stay on track and make progress towards your financial goals. Lesson 3. Invest for long-term wealth. When it comes to building long-term wealth, two powerful concepts come into play: compound interest and long-term investing. Let's unpack these ideas. First, let's talk about compound interest. It's like a magical force that can exponentially grow your money over time. By reinvesting your earnings, you not only earn interest on your initial investment but also on the accumulated interest. It's a snowball effect that can make a significant impact on your wealth in the long run. Next, let's explore different investment vehicles. You have options like stocks, bonds, and index funds. Stocks represent ownership in a company, while bonds are debt securities. Index funds, on the other hand, are investment funds that aim to replicate the performance of a specific market index. Each investment vehicle has its own characteristics and level of risk, so it's important to understand them and find the right balance for your investment portfolio. Speaking of balance, it's crucial to consider risk and reward when building your investment portfolio. Higher risk investments often come with the potential for higher returns, but they also carry more volatility. On the other hand, lower risk investments may offer more stability but potentially lower returns. Finding the right balance that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals is key. Now that we've covered the basics, let's discuss how to get started with investing. First, identify your investment goals and risk tolerance. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or a child's education? Understanding your goals will help you determine the appropriate investment strategy and time horizon. Additionally, knowing your risk tolerance will guide you in selecting investments that match your comfort level. Next, choose a reputable brokerage platform to invest. Look for platforms that offer a user-friendly interface, a wide range of investment options, and reasonable fees. It's important to do your research and ensure the platform aligns with your needs and preferences. Lastly, diversify your investments for long-term growth. Spreading your investments across different asset classes and sectors can help mitigate risk and maximize returns. A well-diversified portfolio can weather market fluctuations and increase the likelihood of achieving your financial goals. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Stay informed, be patient, and resist the temptation of chasing short-term gains. The key is to stay focused on your investment strategy and remain disciplined. That concludes Lesson 3, Invest for Long-Term Wealth. By understanding investment basics, getting started with investing, and maintaining a well-diversified portfolio, you can set yourself up for long-term financial success. Conclusion. To wrap things up, we've covered 3 crucial lessons from I Will Teach You to Be Rich. Let's quickly recap. Lesson 1. Optimize your credit cards and bank accounts. Understand responsible credit card usage, choose the right cards, and maximize rewards. Lesson 2. Automate your finances. Set up automatic bill payments, savings contributions, and simplify your financial management. Lesson 3. Invest for long-term wealth. Embrace compound interest, diversify your investments, and start building your wealth. Now it's your turn to take action. Implement these lessons in your financial life and experience the potential for transformation. Remember, continuous learning and improvement are key. Take charge of your financial future and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Here's to your financial success.